Welcome back. This is 2.3 applications of linear equations. So we're going to use linear equations to solve problems and solve a formula for a variable. So solving real world problems, it has steps 1 through 5. So you're just wanting to make sure that you have all the steps in place before you attempt to solve the problem. So if you want to read those, you can. All right, algebraic translations of English phrases. So addition is sum, more than, or increased by. Subtraction is minus, decreased by. I don't know, these aren't in like accurate forms. Subtracted from, difference between, less than, and fewer than. All right, multiplication is times, product of, percent of a number, multiplied by twice. Division is divided by, quotient, and reciprocal. All right, education pays off. So this graph shows the average yearly earnings in the United States by highest educational attainment. So the average yearly salary of a man with a bachelor degree exceeds that of a man with an associate's degree by $25,000. The average yearly salary of a man with a master's degree exceeds that of a man with an associate's degree by $45,000. Combined, 3 men with each of these degrees earns $214,000. Find the average yearly salary of men with each of these levels of education. All right, let X represent the unknown of quantities. Let X equal the average yearly salary of a man with an associate's degree. X plus 5 equals the average yearly salary of a man with a bachelor's degree. And X plus 45 is the average yearly salary of a man with a master's degree. So the 3 men together, so 1, 2, and 3, equals that 214. So we want to find what the original base is for that salary. So we drop the parentheses because we don't have anything to distribute. So X plus X plus X is 3X. 25 plus 45 is going to be 70 equals 214. And then we'll subtract 70 from each side. So we get 3X equals 144. And then you can do your 144 divided by 3, and you'll get 48. So 48,000. Oh, that is not a dollar sign. 4. And I think it wants it as X and not the 48,000. So let me just double check on that. Yeah, so it just wants the 48. All right, price reduction on a digital camera. It says your local computer store is having a terrific sale on digital cameras. After a 40% price reduction, you purchase a digital camera for $276. What was the camera's price before the reduction? So X is the original price of the camera prior to the reduction. So remember, when you have a sale, you're going to multiply by the of the sale. So we want to subtract that from the original price. So when it had that 40% off, you paid $276. So we want to find out what the price was originally that you took that 40% from. So we have x minus 0.4x. So you would do 1 minus 0.4 in your calculator. So you get 0.6. So it'd be 0.6x equals 276. Then you'll divide by 0.6. So x equals 460. So you can also check that. So you do 460 times 0.4. So that's the price you'll subtract. So 460 minus 184. And you get your 276. So that's how much your camera was. All right, solving for a variable. So we have the equation T equals D plus PM. And that's that monthly deferred payment plan formula. So T is the total price, D is the down payment, P is the monthly payment, and M is the number of months one pays. So we're going to want to solve the formula for P. So that means we want to isolate P and get it on its own. So we want to get rid of the stuff that's not connected to it first. So we're going to subtract D from each side. So T minus D equals PM. And then if it's multiplied by what we want by itself, you will divide. So you do the opposite operation. So T, oh, that's not a T. T minus D over M equals P. So you're just trying to isolate that variable by doing your reverse order of operations. All right, and that is it for 2.3. Go ahead and work on your assignment and let me know if you have any questions.